towards the corner. That'll be the spot you want to go for, because you can't really go straight. You want to go over there, okay? But you want to wait until the drives are right here on the spot, like you normally would, and then set it up. All right, you're gonna go to the right and then come back to the left. And when you come back to the left, you gotta make sure that you can see the back of the trailer, so you know where you're going to, okay? All right, go ahead. You wanna get as close as over here? Not too close, you don't wanna hit that truck. Keep going, keep going. All right, go ahead. Remember to watch the back. All right, start to get under it. Start to get under it. Yeah. Bring it back this way. Bring it back this way. All right. Get under it. Yeah. All right. Stop right here. At this point, you want to get the back over to your driver's side just a little bit. So look at the back. You want to bring it to the driver's side just a little bit, yeah. Just a little bit. Watch it, and then get under it. All right, get under it. Go ahead. All right. When you finish getting under it. What's that? You good? You see the space? You see where you're at right here? You see that yellow line on the dot? You see that crack on the ground? You good over there? You know you got space over there. Well, go ahead and get out and look. Okay. You see? Now you see, you want to match the back of the trailer with the yellow line on the wall.
That's the only thing that scared me. That's why I hit brakes.
No, you good. Look at both sides. All right. So we know we need to shift it over this way a little bit. So you're gonna left, right, left. All right. And then when you shift, to make sure you look over here, okay? Look at the back of the trailer. It's not much you have to shift, but don't go hard. You want to go soft. Anytime you stop, you want to make sure you can see it on both sides. So go ahead and pull up until you can see it on both sides. Just a little bit, man, just a little bit. All right, now back it up. As you backing it up, you want to make sure that you adjust it to what you need. The very bottom of the trailer, you want to match to the bottom of the wall over there, okay? Make sure move, yeah, move it. Small moves, fix it, get under it. All right, easy now, back it up. Let off the brake, let off the brake. Let off the brake. Let off the brake, my man, or put the clutch in, I mean. All right, that's good right there. So look at the other side.
Did I do it?
We're still at a slight angle, so you want to pull up. The back is where we want it. Let's move the front over to the driver's side just a little bit, and then get under it, and then just straight line back it. You know what I'm saying, right? Because you see the space over here? You got less on the front, more on the back. And then over here, you got more on the back. I mean, more in the front, less than you're on the back, you're good. Just fix the front. You still need to get the trailer straight. So pull up some more and come to the right. Look at the bottom. You see the line on the bottom? Use that as a guide. Come out to the left, just a little bit, come on. All right, yeah. All right, now you're straight. Now you're straight, can you tell? All right. Easy now, easy on that clutch. Let off the clutch. Keep the clutch in, just a little bit. Let out of it a little bit. Start to turn the wheel to the left. No, 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 no. Pull up, pull up. Remember, you want to be able to see down both sides. You can't see down both sides now. Go ahead and pull up. Can you see down both sides? Okay, keep the wheel straight and just back it up. Straight. Just back it up. Easy, just a little bit. Okay, that's it. Can you tell the difference? You're even spaced over here. Let's look at the other side. You're pretty even. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
That was a different setup. Same difference. That was good, man. He's about to start driving. Third day out here. We've been doing a lot of backing, a lot of pre-trip.
Help, I got the engine compartment pre-trip down packed. I'm working on the driver side pre-trip. I'm about to drive to, where we're driving to?
Michigan. How you feeling about the backing?
I'm feeling confident about the backing. I'm feeling better than what I did when I first started.
That's good, that's good. So yeah, guys, he's about to start driving. We're over here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. We're headed up to Kalamazoo, Michigan.
Peace.
All right. What's going on, guys? It's Wednesday night. My student just got done driving, and he drove. Well, let me see how many hours he drove. He drove a good 6 hours, and he's ready to go to bed. You ready to go to bed?
Yeah, I'm ready to go to bed.
We was gonna continue to drive, but being that he's tired, we're gonna call it a night. But I told him better be ready tomorrow. We're driving all day.